Mm-hmm.
That's what we wake up to every morning, Wendy and Joe in their condo in Maui. The propeller floating around above us to keep us cool, and there's lots of birds here.
Yeah.
Lots of tropical birds. Right outside our bedroom window here in Kihei. We don't need an alarm here. We have an alarm. Birds out there. There's doves. Nanny. There's a little goose. I guess they are. Grouse. Minor birds. And what else is there?
I see hummingbirds.
You know the doves. Wendy loves the doves.
There's hummingbirds here.
They probably do. We're going to get up in a minute. We're laying in bed right now. We're going to go for a walk on the beach. Our morning walk. See if they were any closer, they'd be in our freaking room. Right outside our window here, our bedroom window. Birds all around us here. You even have those cardinals here too, those red cardinals. Noisy birdies. Calling each other. You can hear them in the background too. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Aloha from Maui.